Hi, welcome to this NFT channel. An NFT is a digital asset that can come in the form of art, music, in-game items, videos, and more. Follow this channel to know all about NFT. They are bought and sold online, frequently with cryptocurrency, and they are generally encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. Non-fungible tokens are cryptographic assets on a blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish them from each other. Non-fungible tokens are an evolution of the relatively simple concept of cryptocurrencies. Modern finance systems consist of sophisticated trading and loan systems for different asset types, ranging from real estate to lending contracts to artwork. By enabling digital representations of physical assets, NFTs are a step forward in the reinvention of this infrastructure. NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's generally built using the same kind of programming as cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But that's where the similarity ends. Physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, meaning they can be traded or exchanged for one another. They're also equal in value. $1 is always worth another dollar. One Bitcoin is always equal to another Bitcoin. Crypto's fungibility makes it a trusted means of conducting transactions on the blockchain. Subscribe to our channel to keep up with new content. Your subscription, support, and feedback are much appreciated.